What's up there, YouTube? Today we're at the shop. We're going to be replacing the fuel filter in the Duramax. I'm not going to do a how-to video. I'm just going to kind of take you guys along for the ride. So let's get started. Alright, now first thing we're going to do is remove the mud flap and all the bolts. And we'll get it in there. Because unfortunately, my little impact gun is dead. So we're doing this all by hand. All right. Pull the fender well out of there. And there she is. Alright, now I'll give you guys a little bit better look into it. Here you can see the down pipe, the high flow 3-inch down pipe, the 2-inch high flow up pipes, which are both stainless steel, and the PPE high flow manifold. There is the fuel filter we're going to take out. I already loosened it up, so we're just going to twist it on out of here. Already took all the wires off as well. And she is out. We're gonna get the sensor on here and switch to the new one. There's the old fuel filter. Here's the new fuel filter. The ProGuard HD AFE. And there she is. Heard a lot of good things about the high flow filters, so figured I'd go with this one and see if it makes a difference. Try not to break this thing. Wow. There, we got it. Place these rubber O-rings. Move out the pack here. Woo! Almost dropped it. And I forgot to put diesel fuel in the O-ring before I even put it in. Snug it up a little bit. All right. And gotta tighten her up, plug everything in. Should be good to go. We were all done putting the fuel filter in. Now we did put the wheel liner back in. We did put the mud flap back on, and we bled the fuel filter off camera. Sorry. Could not get you guys in there to see me bleeding the fuel filter. It was just too tight. So I just did it off camera. So we're gonna start this truck up and see if she runs. All right, she's living. If you like the video, please think about subscribing and stay tuned for the next video, because we are going to be putting traction bars on this, which I already made before I got the YouTube channel. So I have no footage of me making these, but we are going to put them on the next video. See you then.